morning to everyone. I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher at Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, today our topic will be weight of body on moon as comparison of Earth. Let mass of moon is equal to mE. Let mass of small test body का मतलब है हम उस बॉडी के वेट को टेस्ट करेंगे, that is equal to m naught. Radius of moon is equal to Rm. Now weight of body is equal to W is equal to mg. M is the weight and g is the acceleration due to gravity of that body. या फिर इस सारी चीज को किसके बराबर पुट कर सकता हूं? फोर्स के बराबर पुट करता हूं. फोर्स इज इक्वल टू पी क्या होता है? mg होता है. सो द फोर्स बिटवीन दीज बॉडीज will be equal to F is equal to G me m naught upon Rm का स्केल. Force at the surface of moon. Now let mass of Earth is equal to mass of moon is m लिखेंगे हम, sorry, and the mass of Earth is me. Radius of Earth is equal to re. Mass of the small test body will be the same क्योंकि हम उसी बॉडी का वेट का क्या करेंगे? कंपेयर. सो मास ऑफ टेस्ट बॉडी is equal to m naught. Now force between these bodies at Earth, F is equal to G me m naught upon re का स्केल. This is equation first and this is equation second. दोनों इक्वेशन हमने निकाले. That force is comparably equal to the weight. W is equal to mg and F is equal to mg. From here we know radius of Earth is equal to 4 times of radius of moon. Radius of Earth is equal to 4 times of the radius of the moon. ये हम कंपेयर इमेजिन करके चलेंगे. एंड mass of Earth is equal to 100 times of mass of moon. Put these values in equation number second. Put these values in equation second. So F is equal to G me 100 times of mm into में m naught divided by re 4 times of Rm का scale. Now this equation become G 100 mm into m naught divided by 16 Rm का square, and this is the equation number third. Clear? Now we have the two equations. First of F is equal to G mm m naught upon Rm का square. This is the equation number first. And F is equal to G 100 of mm into m naught upon 16 Rm का square. This is the equation number 3rd. In last we will discuss it. Consider it as the weight on moon and consider it as the weight on earth. Divide equation first by 3rd. So weight on moon divided by weight on earth is equal to G m naught upon rm का square divided by G 100 mm into m naught upon 16 rm का square. G mm m naught से G mm m naught कैंसिल, rm square से rm square कैंसिल. Now Wm is equal to 16 by 100. So Wm by We 16 6 are 96, near about 1 by 6. 16 6 are 96. So it means that it is near about 1 by 6. So Wm is equal to We by 6 means weight on moon is 1 by 6 times of weight on earth. Weight on earth. Weight on the moon is nearly equal to 1 by 6 times of the weight of the moon. This is the comparison between the weight of a body on the earth and the weight of the body on the moon. This is the comparison between the weight of the body on the earth and the weight of the body on the moon. In this, one point should be noted that why does the weight become 1 by 6? Why does the weight on moon become 1 by 6 of weight on earth? Dear student, weight is equal to m into g. Weight is the product of the mass and the acceleration due to gravity. So mass is a constant quantity. Mass is a constant quantity. Mass of a body never will change. So why the weight change? Because acceleration due to gravity change. Acceleration due to gravity change. Mass is equal to constant. Mass is equal to constant, but g is equal to variable. G is the variable. And as we goes on increase, as we goes on height, the value of acceleration due to gravity goes on decrease. As we goes up the height, then the acceleration due to gravity goes on decrease. And for that we will discuss about a formula. G dash is equal to G into 1 minus 2h upon r. 1 minus 2h upon r, and G dash is equal to G into r by r plus h का whole square. This is for the small height and this is for the large height. This is for the large height. जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर की ओर जाते हैं, acceleration due to gravity goes on the decrease. Acceleration due to gravity goes on the decrease. अगर small height की बात करते हैं तो g dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. कि हम किसी height के ऊपर गए तो वहां पे g की वैल्यू कितना चेंज हुई, तो उसके लिए हम ये दो फॉर्मूले यूज करेंगे. पहले वाला फॉर्मूला होगा स्मॉल हाइट के लिए, दूसरे वाला फॉर्मूला होगा हमारे पास लार्ज हाइट के लिए. And as the it is goes on the increase or decrease, then the weight will be the variant. अगर वो increase होगी तो weight increase हो जाएगा, अगर वो decrease होगी तो weight क्या हो जाएगा, decrease हो जाएगा. But you have to remember it always that as we goes on the height, जैसे ही हम height के ऊपर जाते हैं, acceleration due to gravity goes on the decrease. Thank you everyone.